Buying just the right construction supplies can be difficult and time-consuming, and the marketplace for construction has become more and more complicated. At Buildiro, we wanted to make shopping more accessible and cleaner, so we created a platform that serves as a singular marketplace for the construction industry. Whether you're an individual looking for a new part for a washing machine or a commercial business buying in bulk, Buildiro has you covered. Our aim of integrating APIs of multiple merchants has secured us the first hundreds of thousands visitors. We have proven that there is a niche in the market and that there is a demand for Buildiro. However, we realised that we needed to scale up to a national level and work with an even wider range of UK merchants. So we want to develop a meta-partnership marketplace that combines the inventories of hundreds of merchants in one catalogue, meaning we can concentrate at the bottom of the funnel with our clients, so they can always find what they are looking for at the best price. With over 27 million households in the UK, Buildiro is a well-positioned solution to solve the lack of construction marketplaces. Now shoppers only need one platform to secure supplies at a reasonable price. We also believe our business has global scalability, and that we can secure a large proportion of the construction market given our initial success in the UK. At Buildiro, we want to create a marketplace that is simple, clean, and easy to use. Support Buildiro today for the future of construction tomorrow.